Z-scores allow us to determine the extremes for given populations. In this example, we want to know which is more extreme. An 8-week-old Rottweiler puppy that weighs 15.2 pounds, when the breed's mean weight is 13.7 pounds, and a standard deviation of 1.3 pounds. We want to compare this to a grown adult male Shih Tzu that weighs 5.2 kilograms when the breed's mean weight is 7.9 kilograms with a standard deviation of 1.9 kilograms. In order to do this, we need to compare their Z-scores. First, let's take a look at the Rottweiler's Z-score. This Rottweiler puppy has a Z-score of 1.15. Now let's calculate the Shih Tzu. The Shih Tzu has a Z-score of negative 1.42. The difference between a positive and negative Z-score just means that a data value is either above the mean for that population or below the mean for that population. For example, the mean for a Rottweiler puppy is 13.7 pounds. This Rottweiler puppy, being 15.2 pounds, is heavier than the mean. So when you calculate out the Z-score, this Z-score is going to be on the positive side of the Z-scores, meaning it's heavier than Rottweiler puppies on average. However, this Shih Tzu is 5.2 kilograms, where the mean is 7.9. This means that this one is on the smaller side of the average male Shih Tzu, which is going to calculate out to a negative Z-score. In order to determine which one is more extreme, you have to look at the absolute values. Absolute value refers to the positive distance a value is away from zero. 1.15 is 1.15 units away from zero. Negative 1.42 is 1.42 units away from zero. When you compare these values, 1.42 is greater than 1.15, meaning that the Shih Tzu has a more extreme Z-score than the Rottweiler. When we compare these two breeds, this particular Shih Tzu being smaller than the average has a more extreme value than this Rottweiler being heavier than its average.